Despite the continued research into the design of the eye and the ongoing revelation that it is an exceptionally sensitive instrument, defenders of Darwinian evolution continue to use it as an example of the trial and error outcomes of natural selection.
Arguments for the optimal design of the eye are not coming from intelligent design proponents. They're coming from mainstream scientists who study the function of the eye. It's based on the evidence. So the defenders of evolution who continue to insist that the eye is flawed are doing so in the face of the evidence. In the last few years, scientists have discovered that a particular kind of cell in the eye, called the Mueller cell, acts like a waveguide. It actually comes all the way through the retina and brings light coming in through the lens all the way to the back of the retina and makes the images much clearer. It's actually an engineering marvel. When Kenneth Miller, who is the author of a textbook widely used in high school biology classes, was confronted with this evidence recently, his reaction was, well, that just shows that evolution then corrected the flaw that it put there. So evolution produced a flawed eye and then corrected it by adding these other cells that improve things. The problem with that is we have no evidence that the human eye was first flawed and then these cells appeared. There's no historical record to show that. And second of all, why does it make any sense to say that now the human eye is very good, but only because evolution corrected its own flaw? I mean, to me, it's just it's a desperate attempt to hang on to the materialistic story in spite of the evidence. It's zombie science.